Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling family sharing so purchased apps can be shared. Open Settings and tap your name, then tap Family Sharing and choose Set up your family. Add family members via their Apple ID or invite by iMessage. Make sure they accept. Turn on Purchase Sharing and confirm the shared payment method. This lets the family organizer pay for shared purchases. Once done, members can download eligible apps without repurchasing, so you avoid duplicate purchases and centralize billing. Now get each family member to access shared apps. On their iPhone, open the App Store, tap their profile, then Purchased and choose Family Purchases or the organizer's name to view shared apps. Download any available titles. If an app is hidden, the organizer should unhide it in App Store purchase history. For kids, enable Ask to Buy so the organizer approves purchases. Note that some subscriptions or in-app purchases won't be shared, so verify eligibility before assuming full access. Complete the process by making sure everyone is signed into iCloud with the Apple ID used for family sharing. If shared apps don't show, sign out of the App Store on the affected device and sign back in. This forces the purchase list to refresh. Make sure the organizer's payment method is valid and purchase sharing remains enabled. If problems persist, check hidden purchases and then contact Apple support. Often the issue is account settings or region restrictions preventing sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.